Hey, tell her. Sit down. But yeah, here we go, y'all. We back in the lab. Like I said, we still here, man. 3 o'clock in the morning. Still getting it. Like I said, man, we working. For all those haters that want to hate, we gonna show y'all to hate a little bit more so we can get a little bit more done. As you can see, we got them lines off there, off this door. We're working on this door next, and we also got a dent. As we moving around, y'all. See that? From the back wrap all that, as you can see. Bam. So for Mr. Jason, we appreciate that motivation. Like I said, this is motivation. Stay tuned though. This is getting blocked down next. Everything getting blocked. We had a few little imperfections up here we knocking out. The trunk is coming off the spray. We just right now doing the body work, and when we get ready to spray, as you can see, we taking everything off now at the new facility. So like I said, you guys stay tuned. I appreciate you guys that's going along the ride. Like I said, 2020 is the year of balance. So like I said, we balanced now. So we're gonna get everything level. Like I said, no 30 in the morning, we still working, y'all. Trying to get it the right way. Not rushing because Mr. Jason want to see some job that been here for 4 months. These cars are new. This car just got here about a month ago. When I went on vacation, yeah, about a month ago. So what are you talking about? And it's a full blast, you know what I mean? Full blast. You seen the front end off here, now the front end is back. We putting the front end back on here now. Like I said, everything gonna be going in. We just got the new actuators in, which was the wrong one. We got the match in, we got more stuff in. So if you guys never built the car, it take time for parts to come in and such and such and such and such. So for those who think it takes 30 days to build a car, this is not a TV show where there's a big facility of people doing the cars and everything. So you guys, like I said, that understand, know how it goes. It's not no turn around. You got to order parts. Parts got to come in. All this other stuff. You got to get material, you know? So yeah, like I said, you guys stay tuned. It's a little dusty. Clean everything up. Y'all stay tuned. You said something about a console? Yeah. It's going to be a console in here too. Thank God for them consoles. Them consoles kept me afloat. But y'all stay tuned. I just want to just keep y'all updated and going on what we doing. Like I said, we working. No matter what they say, we working. We working, and that's all that matter. That's all. Close the hole off on here. I said this would be getting painted. Like I said, we putting the cars in line. Need to be painted. That Monte Carlo will be next. You guys will be seeing that. The 68 colorless. You guys stay tuned. Like I said, man, we doing big stuff over here. We're not gonna let anybody deter us from what we doing. We doing good. So for those who want us to speed up a little bit, just stay tuned. Stay tuned. The process is speeding up already. Like I said, you stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be having this lined up. This will be lined up tomorrow. Like I said, all this got to be lined up. Make sure that bodywork, that line got to be straight. See that? We making sure around here, man. As long as the customer that own the car happy, that's all that matter to me. For the spectators, keep on spectating. But we gonna get them in and out. Like I said, we got a nice little building here. See, getting them lines right. That's all that matter, man. See how my hands look? It's because I'm working up here, man. This is America, man. Remember that.